Okay, so welcome to Eat Your Backyard, our YouTube channel. And today, we have a very special occasion. We're going to go pick lemons. Got to pick all the lemons because they're nice and ripe. Grab the bucket.
Let's dump out the water.
Yeah, dump it out. We like to use the buckets that are cracked down the bottom for fruit usually. But this nice new bucket will work. Okay, so here we are. Plenty of lemons. When we're picking lemons, we always watch out for thorns. Like this one right here. Look at that thorn. Give you a good idea what they look like.
Spicy.
Oh,
And all
yeah.
the good ones are high.
Yeah, we just get the low-hanging fruit. That's a good one. Pull hard. Hard as you can.
Wait, what is it connected to this?
Yeah, if you can turn it to the side, that's the easiest way. You want me to show you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, it's like really loose.
Just take it. Alright, and see where the stem is?
Yeah.
Right there. And then you just turn it to the side.
Oh, like that?
And it comes right off. And you can do the next one. I would pick an easier one to get to.
Oh, I can't reach half of these.
Yeah, we'll get a chair for that one. Why don't you come around? There's a bunch on the other side. Those come right off. There you go. You get the hang of picking the ones lower down.
I don't.
You're turning it into the branch, turn it away from the branch. There you go. That's it. No, there you go. And then pull down as you do that. There you go. Key is you want to pick it off without hurting the branch too much. Oh, the deep ones. Now your lemon picking skills will pay off. Turn it. Not, yeah, that way, right. There you go. How we doing? We have a bunch of them?
5.
Oh yeah. That's it. Now you're getting the technique. And clean this tree off. I might have to get some of the high altitude ones. Oh, that's a beauty.
It's big.
Whoa. That's full of juice. How's it smell?
Good.
Mmm. Nice.
So many.
So many up in there. All look at it. They're all up in the star fruit. That's.
Oh, this one just. Oh.
Oh boy. Yeah, that's still okay.
Okay.
Juice will be fine in there. Sometimes they get kind of deformed skin. Now we're getting to the high difficulty ones. Deep in the thorny. A good one. Little one. What was that?
Some
Deformity.
skin taken off.
Like the skin got damaged and it regrew.
Spikes over here.
Yeah, that's a tough one. It's interesting how they grow wedged. That one is like grown wedged in, but it's the perfect one.
Oh no. The perfect ones are always the hardest ones.
Yeah, the perfect ones you have to pay the highest price to get to. Ooh, that's the best one.
We filled a hole.
Well, we covered the bottom. That's good. We've picked a bunch off of here already, you know,
Yeah.
so. Are there any others within your picking range? I see some others up high, up in the sun. There you go. Nice. Ooh, that might be the best one. Well, it's a little bit deformed on one side.
Yeah. I figured out how I can get this other one.
I can pull the branch down too. Here, I'll tell you what. I'll pull the branch down. That. Oh, that's a big one. That looks more like an orange. Oh, and you just went by the biggest spike I've seen. Look at that. Look at the size of that.
Trying.
Oh, gotta be careful. I'm not gonna break that off. We don't need that.
I got spiked, definitely.
Got spiked.
This might be the best.
That's the best one. It's pretty nice. Beautiful color. What color would you say that is?
Yellow.
It's almost orange, I thought.
Yeah, I don't think
I see a couple little minis up here. Look at this. See one? Cool thing about keeping the lemon trees at this height is we don't have to go climbing up into this. Oops, sorry. Broke a branch off into you. Oh yeah, look at it. It's up in there with the star fruit. Oh, nice. That's beauty. That's beauty. Oh, there goes star fruit. Well, I think the only ones left are the ones that are high up. Okay, I'm gonna look at this. Now this is the first one that actually looks. This is the first one that actually looks like a lemon you would get at the store.
Yeah.
That looks like a classic lemon. Does it even have the dimple on the other? No, but it does. Yeah, it's kind of. Yeah, here I'll pull it down.
It also
That's
looks
another
like
one.
what you'd get from the store.
About a lemon size. All the rest, in comparison, you see the much bigger. All right, and then there's a
like
couple
3
right in the
left.
middle. Yeah.
4. Probably gonna get spiked at least once.
I didn't get spiked that time. That's one. Gotta make careful movements. 2. Three.
I see another one.
You see another one? Where? Oh, yeah.
Way up there.
Let's clean it off. Is this the final?
Yep.
The final lemon of the 2020-2021 season. There it is, Jack.
So now.
Oh, what a feeling. We harvested from this tree a few times, and
No, I see another one.
this is a nice little haul.
This is the last one.
That's the last one.
So confused. Nope, I see another one.
Just when you think you found the last one.
Like up in there now.
Oh, it's hidden in the starfruit?
I'm pretty sure. Wait, let me see.
I don't see it. So many starfruit. You better probably deal with this.
We could pick these.
Yo, right. Hey, we'll make another video picking all these starfruit. We'll deal with the oranges first. Lemons. Where?
I saw one more.
I don't see it.
I don't remember them.
Yeah, I think we got them all. It looks like almost like lemons in there with the starfruit, but yeah, check out our starfruit harvesting video. But we're gonna see how many lemons we got. Okay, I would say
Probably more than 15 or 15.
yeah, I'm gonna say about between 15 and 20 lemons. And I think we got a lot of lemons over the season, like probably at least that many already. So let's say we got about 30 lemons off of this lemon tree, which we've had for years. Go check out our other videos. I'll give links at the end of this video that you can go check out the years of growing this beautiful lemon tree and then also using the fruit in cool, fun ways. Alright, so we got a big haul of lemons. Let me see what you got there, Jay. Ew, look at that. Alright, we're going to just pour them all into this sink so that we can wash them off. That way if we had it... Whoa, how many lemons is that?
There's one there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23.
So about 23 lemons. Not bad. Alright, let's wash them off. Cold water. There should be some song. Washing the lemons, we're washing the lemons. Because it's mundane. It would be a mundane song. They're all clogging up the... They perfectly fit in the drain.
I know.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, so we have a system. We cut up the lemons and then put the cut ones in there. And then we're going to juice them in this cool little juicer, which I'll put a link in the description to get one of these. But this is all we use. We've had it for about 20 years. It has juiced so many lemons and grapefruit and oranges. It just keeps going. Press it down and it just turns. And when it gets to a certain tension point, it goes the other way and it does a great job. So we're just going to cut all these lemons right down the middle.
Yep.
Look at that. Oh, man. They're loaded with seeds, but they're so delicious.
Yeah.
All right. Next one.
Another big one.
Big one. Sideways. Nice. Okay, Jack, you're going to do the juicing. I'll hold it steady. Press it down there hard. You'll see it'll start to go the other direction when you press it down hard enough. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Pretty good. Is it juice still?
Cool.
Just a little bit. See how it goes the other direction?
Okay.
Yeah, that's right. And then you get it all out.
That looks cool. You could use it for a bowl.
Yeah, it's like a perfect little bowl then. Okay.
I'll try a bowl.
Here we go. Yeah, now lift it up and then press it down again, or it'll go the other direction. There you go. See, no, keep going. Yep. And then lift it up and press it down, and it'll go the other direction. There you go. Now let's see. Now you're getting the hang of it. Perfect. All right.
Awesome to try.
That's a cleaned out lemon, that's for sure.
I'll try this big one.
That's a juicy one.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah.
A little tinier.
Look at all this. Oh yeah. Something satisfying about getting all the juice out. And look at this. After all those lemons, that's how much juice we got.
It's like, how is this?
And once we're done filling this up, when we get to the top of that, we'll transfer it into this, which is just a simple plastic pitcher. And then when we get that, we'll pour it into,
A cup?
well, into some plastic baggies to freeze it in the freezer so we
yeah.
can make lemonade in the future.
Popsicle.
Or, yeah, or just have a lemonade licking stick.
Yeah.
So you had a little tiny cut on your hand?
Yeah.
You really feel it when that lemon juice hits it. Alright, so now we'll take off this part and just tap it into the garbage. We'll take it over the sink so that when we tap it in the garbage. Yeah, there you go. Very nice. Okay, look at that. Holy, that is so good looking. Okay, we're just going to pour that into here. Put that straight up and take it over the sink, and I'll put this over the sink.
I thought but I messed it up for a second.
Doing the transfer.
Every little last drop counts.
Got every drop. You're good there. Let's do it again. Okay, we're going to do a reaction to the pure lemon juice. Okay, pour that in there. Oh, wow, you're going to drink a lot of it. Alright, here we go. How was it?
Sour.
I'm going to try it. Oh, wow. That's very sour.
Where's the
good, though.
sugar in the water?
Alright, let's get it out and make some. So here it is. We're going to save 2 just Ziploc baggies we filled up with the lemon juice. You can see there's a little seed in one of them. They're going to get frozen right in there. No problem. That we'll be ready to go to make 2 more pitchers of lemonade, and then what we left was what was in that pitcher, and we're going to use that to make this lemonade. I left a fair amount in there because I want it to be pretty tart. I like it tart.
I don't.
Uh-oh. Sugar time.